What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be doing our paycheck number 2 for February, our estimated budget. So let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, I did break 2 nails. Tragic, I know. But let's go ahead and do our estimated budget. One thing we have to add to this budget is I have a speeding ticket. So we have to add that to our budget. I was doing 36 and a 30. Obviously, the cop wasn't in a good mood, so that's all fun. We did get paid from a few things, so let's go ahead and budget. Hold on. Everything. So we have the bottle girl job. We have our main, our main one, and then we have cash from the bottle girl service. So paycheck is 116. Also, happy Valentine's Day. This is when this is recorded and will be posted. If you have a Valentine's Day, a good Valentine's Day, kudos. If you're single like me, like a Pringle, still kudos. It's a good day, no matter what. So we are going to practice putting our starting balance. We won't fill this out now for the budget, but it'll be for the actual. Our boutique job. We're going to put a bottle girl for the actual paycheck that we got, and then cash for the cash that we got for it. So we are estimating $1,000. Right. Okay. Make sure I put the right one. And then we got 36 or 63, excuse me, from. Oh no, I put it in actual. Whoopsies. I put it in the wrong spot. That's on me. I'll get white out and fix it in a moment. 63, and this is 538, 39, which is kind of annoying. I'll find it by next video and change it. So let's go ahead and add this up, and we'll get our estimated budgeted total, and we'll go ahead and do our bills, and we'll go from there. Okay, so our total is $1,577 is our estimated. So for bills, we know we have up loan that comes out same day. 116 for 132.23. And then we have, after that, we have Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret comes out on the 18th. And it's going to be for $45. Then we have Wells Fargo on the 22nd. Which is going to be for $45 as well. And then it's not here, but we also have rent because the next day we get paid is on the 2nd. So we have rent due, which is, oh, this is the 2nd. Whoopsie. 3-1 for $200. And then we have this speeding ticket. I'm going to say it's roughly $150 for it. I'll call and figure it out, and we'll budget it. And then cushion is going to be $75. So let's go ahead and add this up and see what we have remaining for our cash envelopes. Okay, adding them together gives us $647.23, and then leaving us $927.77. 643. Sorry, one of the two. Perfect. So that leaves us $927.77 left over. Remember, this is the estimated total, so obviously the correct one will be fixed. So moving on to our cash envelopes. Now, our cash envelopes We have gas, as always. And I always like to double check because I forget sometimes my cash envelopes. So I'm gonna go, we have health and beauty. We have household. We have fun. Food and miscellaneous. Now, if you remember last budgeting, we didn't do a really big budget on that one because it had a lot of stuff to pay. So I'm going to reference my January one where we did a pretty decent one for it because I liked how that was. And we'll mock that one. So again, 927.77 is left over. So gas will be 60 like always. Now, I don't have a rental right now, but I'm using Uber, which I actually should bump this now that I think about it because I'm Ubering at the moment. We'll do 150 for gas, aka Ubers. 40 for health and beauty. Household will get 40 as well. Fun gets 60. Food, 50. Miscellaneous, 30. So adding this all up, we will get okay, so it's going to give us 370, and then it's going to leftover is 5. I forgot. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Sorry about that. I actually use the phone calculator because I don't have a calculator, so that's why I keep cutting. But it's going to be 557.77 left over. We're going to bring that down. 557.77. And then now our sinking funds. So our sinking funds is we're saving up for an apartment. If you don't know, I still with my parents. I moved here back here after college and ready to get out. So we're gonna put 50 in that. Car maintenance. Car maintenance, we still owe money for the minimum. So left over from that is, I believe, 269. We're gonna finish it. We're gonna pop that in there. So we're gonna put 269 into that. Christmas. I spelled that wrong. Whatever. Christmas is going to get, let's put another $10 in there. LASIK eye surgery. I am blind and I would love to get some LASIK eye surgery. We'll put 20. Holidays and birthdays. March is a big month for birthdays for my friends, and I do want to spend time with them, so we will put 30 in here. Vacation, we will put 15. So let me add this up and then I'll get the total and we'll go from there. All right, so our total is going to give us 394, leaving us with 163.77 left over. So let's go ahead and flip this over. So now we have our extra debt. Extra debt is my credit cards, my loans, my student loans, any literal debt. We're trying to pay that off. So what is it? 163.77 is left over. All right, so and here is going to be our Capital One card. Capital One. We have a new credit card called Credit One, which I haven't really used, but I do need to pay it. Victoria's Secret credit card, which I want to pay off. Fingerhut. If you don't know, it's like a credit line. It's like a website. You don't really get a credit card. It's just whatever you buy in there, just you pay for the credit type of thing. But it helps build your credit. Wells Fargo credit card, my college card that I overdrafted and need to pay, op loan, and then our bigger ones we still have. So I do want to put 50 in here. Let's do 30 in here. Everything else would be, this is getting paid that week. No, no, and no, because that's obviously getting paid that week as well. So that's going to give us 80. Yeah, 80. And then a leftover from that, let me do the math, is going to give us 83.77. 83.77 drop down. Now our extra savings is going to be our business number 1, which is you guys here on YouTube getting more things, stuff like that for this channel and whatnot. Business number 2 is my lingerie business. And then business number 3 is my crystals and metaphysical shop. And then we have our $5 savings challenge. And then we have our 100 envelope challenge. Perfect. So business number 1, $10 to $10. This will get 20. And then in our savings, so this is what, 40. So we have $43 left, right? So our savings, $5 savings challenge really doesn't get anything into it. It's like when I get $5, I hold it and put it in. So I'm not gonna save for it, but I will put that $43 into here so that we can put more money into our 100 envelope challenge. So now this gives us 10, 20, 20, 40. Wait a minute. Yeah, okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 83. Yeah, perfect. So leftover, so this is 83, sorry. And then leftover is 77 cents, which we could just leave in our account. So this is our estimated total for this paycheck. Obviously, we budget lower for our boutique job, our main job, my manager job. We would budget a little bit lower than we would really get, just so that way we know we can budget for our bills. So this week looks pretty good. This obviously might change due to it being either more or less, but for the most part, everything else will stay the same. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I also have a TikTok solely related to budgeting. If you guys want, little short clips and you watch that instead, please go over to my TikTok. It will be down in the description below. It's Natalia's Budget. I also have 2 other TikToks. If you like gym videos or if you like mini vlogs, go ahead and check those out. Those will also be in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. My goal this year is to get monetized. So that means 1,000 followers or subscribers on here and then 4,000 watch hours. We're getting close to the watch hours. Subscribers, please be sure to subscribe so that I can reach that goal. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to catch Wednesday's video for the actual cash stuffing and seeking fun stuffing video. Thank you guys so much and have a great rest of your day and happy Valentine's Day. Bye guys.